this is Nick from DV Reviews, and today I have an unboxing of the Keystudio 49 keyed M-Audio keyboard, and this is a USB keyboard that it syncs to both Macintosh and PC computers. So there's a little rundown on the back. It basically explains how you can use it with Garageband and Logitech, I think. Might work with Audio City, I'm not sure though. I'll have it in the description. And package contents: session DVD including an integrated user guide and over 3.5 gigabytes of music content. Keystudio keyboard. It's a USB, by the way, not MIDI. M-Audio micro USB audio interface, which is this thing. You can see it. Session Keystudio driver CD with PDF user guide and Session Keystudio quick start guide. So let's get into this. I'm not going to do a review on it right now. Guess I don't need a knife. I'm not going to do a review on it. Just want to quickly unbox it. Just purchased this at Best Buy because I've been getting into Garageband a lot lately since I got Garageband. I don't know which Garageband it was, but the one that came with iLife 09. Okay. Here you go. There you have it. Let me just make sure. Yep, and there it is. Take that off. Yeah, that's nice. You can see that. You got the USB port, USB, sustain pedal, and the on and off switch. Pitch bend, modulation, the volume, edit mode, and up and down octaves. And this is the 49 key one. There's also a 15 and then the full keyboard, but this one costs $99. The 15 I think costs, I'm not sure what the 15 costs, or the other one, but I know this one's $99. I'll put the other two in the description and a link to this product. But so far I really like this. It is light. No funny business, it's just there. So I really like this. Check what's in the box. Only thing left is the USB and the USB adapter. I'll just take that really quickly. There's the USB cable. Hooks into your computer. And the adapter, I guess. And quick instruction manual. There's a CD for Windows users. $5 off for Best Buy. That's pretty cool. This is for Windows Vista. And Keystudio quick start guide. So that's about it for this unboxing of the Keystudio 49 M-Audio keyboard. I'll get back to you guys. Maybe I'll have a review of this product. But so far, I really like it. It looks nice. Lightweight keys. They're not weighted, by the way. And yeah, so thank you for watching and please subscribe.